Let's get started with C programming by setting up our development environment. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing a C compiler on your system. A compiler is essential for translating your C code into an executable program. We will look at two options, GCC, the GNU Compiler Collection, and TurboC. These are two popular compilers for C programming, each with its own strengths and characteristics. GCC is a modern open-source compiler available on Linux, macOS, and Windows, whereas TurboC is a classic integrated development environment, or IDE, and compiler very popular in educational settings, designed for Windows-based environments. Here are the steps to install GCC on a Linux-based operating system. First, open your terminal. Next, update the package lists using the command sudo apt update. This command ensures you have the latest versions of software packages. Then, install GCC by running the command sudo apt install build essential. This command installs GCC along with other essential development tools. Finally, verify the installation by typing GCC version in the terminal. This command displays the GCC version number, confirming that it has been successfully installed. If you are using Windows, you can install GCC using MinGW W64. First, download the MinGW W64 installer from the provided website. Next, run the installer and select the following options: the latest version, architecture as x86_64, threads as POSIX, and exception as SEH. These settings ensure compatibility and stability. Then, add the MinGW W64 binary folder to your system's path environment variable. For example, this could be c:/-64/x86_8.1.0-PASIX-v6-art_v6-rev0/ming64/bin. Finally, verify the installation by opening the command prompt and typing gcc-version. Alternatively, you can install GCC using MSYS2 or Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL. Let's see how to install TurboC. First, download TurboC from a reliable source. Then, extract the downloaded zip file to the C drive. Next, navigate to the c://turboc3/bin folder. Finally, run tc.exe to launch the TurboC integrated development environment. Now that you have installed a C compiler, let's test it with a simple program. Here's your first C program. It is the classic Hello World program. The code begins with a comment, /* my first C program */. Then include the standard input-output header file, stio.h. Inside the main function, the printf function displays Hello World \n. To compile and run this program with GCC on Linux, macOS, or Windows, first compile the program using the command gcc hello c-o hello. Then, run the program by typing ./hello. In TurboC, press F2 to save the file, then press Alt plus F9 to compile, and finally press Ctrl plus F9 to run the program. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.